Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel. For today's video, we're going to be installing additional M.2 PCIe drive in the Lenovo Thinkpad T15g. Without further ado, let's get to it. Before anything else, log into your BIOS settings and disable the internal battery. Press the power button to confirm that it's disconnected, and you're good to go. So we start by opening this bottom cover right here. Let's loosen the screw. There you go. Pop the cover off. And voila. Here's where the SSD slots are. And to install a second SSD, here's an empty slot. You just remove the screw, slide it in, and reinstall it. Remove the screw. Slide the second SSD in. Push it down. And reinstall the screw. And you're done. So you put this lid back on. This side goes first. Snap the side clips on, corner clips, and finally, tighten the screw. Reactivate the internal battery by connecting your computer to a power source. Boot it up. Type disk manager on search. It will be this one, create and format hard disk partitions. Click that. Once it detects your new drive, format it and you're good to go. I hope you found this video useful. If you want to see more of these, please feel free to hit like on this video and subscribe to my channel. I promise not to spam your feed with clickbaity thumbnails and the like. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.